So I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Land Rover Discovery XS commercial. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then just watch there. We'll go back to another screen. So from anywhere you can go to phone. I'll just go back there, so just do that again. So from any screen, you can either go to phone or home menu. It's come up on search new there, so search new, vehicle to device or device to vehicle. Vehicle to device is better because it generates a random PIN code rather than you having to put one in here and then in the system as well. So we'll just look for it, bring in this Land Rover up here. Normally appears at the bottom. Here we go, so Barry's iPhone 10, click on that. And there you go, you see it's generated a random PIN code. Enter 7610, 7610, click pair. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, because I won't be using this again, well, unless I sell my Range Rover, in which case I will be. There you go, Land Rover connected, phone connected there. That's it.